Hello everybody, welcome to the video. This is how the traffic signal look like when it's installed. They are facing downward, just like in Florida or Texas or any other state like in California, just like in Los Angeles. I see them before in the city of Los Angeles. So here we are. Yep. Alright, here's the one I look like in the video. Alright, this is it. There. See that? They are facing the other direction, not so they won't get confused. They are facing like in Lincoln, Nebraska. So here, this is it. Yep. Okay. So here we are. Left side. All right. Have a good day. Have a good night. I'll see you next time once my project is done. Good night, everybody.